Welcome to Build Smart Uganda, where we simplify construction so that everyone can understand how infrastructure and buildings are developed. Today, we are visiting an active road construction site to understand how roads are built step by step. The first stage of road construction involves preparing the ground. This includes clearing the vegetation, removing unsuitable soil, and shaping the road alignment. This helps engineers ensure that the ground is properly prepared before the structural layers of the road are placed. Heavy machines such as graders are used to level and shape the road formation. This step ensures that the road has the correct slope and the drainage, that rainwater flows away from the surface. After shaping the ground, layers of gravel or crushed stone are pressed to form the road base. Each layer is compacted using rollers to create a strong and stable foundation for the road. The final stage is surfacing. Depending on the design, the road can be finished with asphalt, concrete, or any other materials. This surface layer provides durability and smooth driving experience. Road construction is a carefully planned process that involves engineering design, proper materials, and heavy machinery. This is Build Smart Uganda, helping you understand how construction projects are built. Build smart, avoid costly mistakes.